Yes, hello and welcome back on this channel. So today we are back with another video. In today's video I'm gonna show you on how to set up a VPN app and get a stable, a super fast and a secure connection, extra protection when you are online. So the app we share with you are always on Google Play Store, and you open Google Play Store. So when you open Google Play Store, in the search bar you search for this app. The app is known as KLYPT Tunnel. So that's the name of the app, KLYPT Tunnel. And this app will help you to secure your connection, add an extra layer of security when you are online. And before you use any VPN app, please read its terms and conditions so that you don't violate them. Also, please use VPNs responsibly, following your local laws so that you don't violate them. And after that, install the app. This is the app. Take note of the app name and how it looks. So after that, you install and then open the app to set it up. And as we open this app, it will take you to its home screen where the setup begins. And first of all, you are required to tap on the three lines in the upper right corner. From the presented menu, you can see the update server option. So you tap on it and the app will start check for available updates. And within a few seconds, the app will update to the latest version in order to provide you with the newly configured settings. So after updating the app, you are required to pick a server where you see server. So you tap right here and the app gives you option of servers, so you pick any of the presented options. And after that, you are required to pick a connection method. So for today's guide, I'm gonna show you on how to set up using this like you can use your country name settings. So you can search from here your country name. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you the UDP settings. So in case your country supports UDP, just pick this option I have chosen in this video. So the option is MTN Unlimited. So this option, it has inbuilt UDP settings, as you're gonna see in the video. So after picking this option, in case UDP is supported in your country, so if UDP is not supported in your country, simply pick your country name among the presented. So if UDP is supported, pick this option. So UDP is fast and secure as you are online. So the other setting is you are required to add on time. And when you tap on this option, you can be able to add on the connection time. In case you run out of time, the app will automatically stop working. So in order to stay connected for a long session, simply tap on this add time button. And when you tap on this add time button, the app will start to add on the connection time. So to connect this app and you secure your connection, you are required to tap on this start button. As I told you earlier, this is like UDP settings. These are UDP settings. So when you tap on the connection on the start, you can see that the app will establish a UDP connection, and right here you can see that UDP is successfully connected. And that's why I told you that in case your country supports UDP, this option will automatically work for you. As you can see in the logs, the app is successfully connected via UDP. And that's how we set up KLYPT Tunnel Pro with UDP settings to secure our online connection and to add an extra layer of security when we are online. And let's meet in the next video. Please like this video, share and subscribe on this channel.